Today we will be looking at how to submit an assignment in LiveText. LiveText is a new web-based interface used to create, submit, and complete assignments for courses in the teacher education program. LiveText will be used to create a professional portfolio, which is the capstone project of the program. LiveText will also help you stay organized and receive the feedback needed to improve learning. Our demonstration today will focus on submitting an assignment. Once you've logged into LiveText, which we focused on our last tutorial, you will come to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see 3 different types of submission status indicators. We will review those first. The yellow assignment indicator, as seen here, denotes an assignment that is awaiting assessment. That is an assignment that you have previously submitted but are waiting for the instructor to assess. The red status indicator, which notes begin assignment, denotes an assignment that you have not yet started. The green indicator, as noted here, is an assignment which has been submitted and assessed by the faculty professor and is awaiting you to view the assessment. Lastly, we'll note here the indicator which notes continue assignment. If you look over on the left hand side, you will see that this particular assignment has been submitted, assessed by the faculty member, and sent back for resubmission. Note the comment here that states the instructor has requested that you resubmit this assignment. So those are the types of status indicators that you will see on your dashboard. So let's begin an assignment. We will be looking at ECSP 3132 Lesson Plan Implementation Assignment, and we will begin. You will note on this screen that this assignment is not submitted and it's due in 5 days. We'll be looking at the 3 steps. Step 1 allows you to review the assignment details. You'll note here that the assignment is due July the 10th by 7 a.m. The description will be the instructions from the professor, and then the rubric is attached and how the assignment will be assessed. Sometimes here you will also see additional resources if the professor has attached those to the assignment. In step 2, we will attach our assignment materials. You'll see here 2 columns. First, here we see attach a file. That's if you've already created the file or the LiveText document for the assignment. And files attachments can be Word documents, PDFs, video files, audio files, various kinds of files. And then on the right hand side you will see you have the option to create a new LiveText document. Today we're going to look at attaching a file. If we click on the Attach File button, it will bring us to this screen, which gives us 3 options. Upload a new file, LiveText document, or previous files. We're going to upload a new file, so we will hit the Browse button, which takes us to our documents library on our computer. Here we simply choose the file, once the file is uploaded, you'll see 100% here. It'll show you the uploaded file and the X would allow you to delete that file if that was the wrong file. And And then here at the bottom, the green button allows you to attach the selected file. Now I'm going to show you how to attach the LiveText document. So if we have a LiveText document that we also want to attach, we'll click the Attach File button, go to the second tab, and that will pull up all of the documents that you have created in LiveText. You will choose the document, Attach, and now you see that both of those documents are attached. So now we proceed to step 3, which is submit the assignment. Here you do have the option to give the professor comments, or you can also include a URL here. So today we're going to make a note to the professor to please notify us if our revisions are needed. And then we will submit the assignment. So now we want to note on this screen that now our assignment is awaiting assessment. It was submitted on July the 5th. And we also want to note here that it says, congratulations, your assignment has been submitted to your instructor. You always want to check to make sure that you receive that message so that you know that the submission did go through. So now let's go back to our dashboard. And you will see that that assignment for ECSB 3132 Lesson Plan Implementation is now awaiting assessment. So let's look briefly at an assignment that we submitted and that has already been reviewed by the professor. So if we click on the View Assessment button, it will give us the assignment details and instructions. It will show us the documents that we attached. And here we can pull up the rubric. We see our grade result of 95 here. And we can see where we can pull up the rubric. And we can see how the professor scored the assignment. And then we can also see here where he left us comments. You can also click on the side here to see if they left any comments on that particular row. So we see here the comment that we forgot to include our reflection. So we'll go back to our dashboard, and that concludes our tutorial on how to submit an assignment. Thank you.